Hi everyone, in today's easy tutorial I'm going to show you how to generate photorealistic images in Midjourney. Welcome to the channel, let's dive into it. So on your Discord homepage, select a server that has a Midjourney bot on it, and here in order to create photorealistic images you need some keywords such as ray tracing, HDR, 8K, etc. I'm going to list some of them here so you can combine them. You don't need to use every single one of them in a single generation, but you can combine different ones to get a better look. To show you, I'm going to write down a simple prompt first, and then I'm going to use some of these keywords here, and let's see the difference. So I'm going to type down slash first and then imagine. Let's hit enter. I'm going to write down my prompt. So it's a simple prompt with two adjectives. Let's hit enter to generate. So here's our image. It looks weird, although this one is kinda okay. Let's try some of these keywords and generate another one. I'm going to write down slash imagine and hit enter. Let's use the same prompt, and then I'm going to write some of the keywords here. Let's say 8K and finally hyper realistic, and let's hit enter to generate. And here's our second image. As you can see, it looks more promising, I think, in terms of photorealism, but you should always remember that there's no certain answers in AI generated art, so you need to try different combination of words, different adjectives, etc. But those are the keywords that would help you to create photorealistic image. So I think that's it. That's how to create photorealistic image in Midjourney. If you found this video helpful, tap the like and subscribe buttons to help others to find this video as well. Thank you for watching.